Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal experimental question asked in GATE 2003 EC paper. The question is a sequence x of n with z transform x of z is equal to z power 4 plus z squared minus 2z plus 2 minus 3z power minus 4 is applied to a LTE system with h of n. h of n is equal to 2 into del of minus 3. What is output? Output y at n is equal to 4. That's what they asked. So I find h of z first. Y I find you will understand. So for del z transform is 1, del n minus 3 it is z power minus 3. So this is the transform of del of n minus 3. So what is y of z? We know y of z is convolution between x of z and h of z. So x of z is there, h of z is there. So if you multiply both the things, so it will be 2z power minus 3 into z power 4 z square minus 2z plus 2 minus 3z power minus 4, right? So it will be equal to, so 2 I take it constant, z power 1 z plus z power minus 1 minus 2z power minus 2 plus 2z power minus 3 minus 3z power minus 7. What they ask is n is equal to 4, right? So we know in general the transform is, what is the thing, x of 0 z power minus 0 plus x of 1 z power minus 1, like that it will go. Similarly x of minus 1 z power plus 1, x of minus 2 z power plus 2, like that it will go. So whatever inside, that is the n value. This is n value. So this is n. N is equal to plus 1, n is equal to plus 2, right? So n is equal to plus 3, n is equal to plus 7. There is no n is equal to 4. There is no coefficient for n is equal to 4. So y of 4 is equal to 0. Right? So the answer is 0. So it is option B. Thank you.